I love this brush because it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy! Why it ain't working for me? Pack out! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kierashonllc. Today's video is brought to you by ISHOW Beauty. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. I will also be doing a little bit of makeup just to give you guys a little bit of glam because I have not been wanting to do any type of makeup or whatever, and I just need to get myself together. And I just feel like, you know, putting a little bit of makeup on, do a little bit of lipstick and rouge, like my dad say, will, you know, get yourself together. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video today, getting ourselves together. The quarantine glow up is real, okay? I know quarantine may be over for some of you guys, but I'm gonna let the first wave go out and then I'll step outside when I see it's all clear, okay? I'm not testing the waters yet. But as always, before we get into all aspects of this unit and the makeup and all that kind of stuff, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I will be gluing this unit down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. You guys have seen me do that numerous times. If you haven't seen me do that before, I will put a video down below to show you guys how I do it. It's very simple. All I use is the Got to Be Freeze spray. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and get into the styling. All right, let's go. Okay, so now that we got this joint laid down, you guys know I did not forget, okay, because it's Friday, so what does that mean? Sip and slay, all right? And I got me a new, cheaper joint today, okay? My mom used to drink this all the time when I was growing up, and she swore by it. She swore it was the best thing ever, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this big jug-a-lug right now. Oh, this is heavy. Bam! So we are drinking Arbor Mist today. I have never had it, even though my mama swore by this. Is it wine? Whatever. It's white Zinfandel. It's the strawberry flavor, so I'm really excited to try it because I saw it in Walmart the other day and I was like, oh, my mama used to drink that. So let me go ahead and try it. So mama, this one's for you. Chug, chug, chug. Got my wine glass right here, and I got some ice right here because I had it in the fridge but not long, so I want to put some ice in there like that. Just a little something, okay? Mama, why is it so hard to open? This thing is so big, goodness gracious. I think it's like $7. All this daggone wine. It smells a little cheap, but okay. Okay, you can taste the cheapness. But it's not bad, y'all. It's not bad. It has like a little sweet taste to it, but not, you know, nothing crazy. No wonder she used to drink so much of this daggone stuff. This unit, like I said, comes from ISHOW Beauty Hair. It is their Body Wave Virgin Human Hair unit. I believe this comes in a 13x4 lace parting area. If I'm incorrect though, it will be listed down below or here on the screen somewhere. The starting price for this unit is around like $60. I think it's a little bit cheaper than $60. So this unit comes in 10 to 26 inches as well as 150 or 180% density. Depending on your specs, obviously that's where their price will go up. For my specs, I got the 20 inches and 180% density, I believe, but I will put all the specs down below or somewhere here on the screen so you guys will know. So that price will go up or down a couple dollars depending on the specs that I particularly got for my unit, okay? So based on the specs that I think that I have, my unit is $134.99. If I do have a coupon code, it will be listed on the screen and down below in the description box, so make sure you use that to save yourself even more coin. I feel like this is very, very inexpensive for a human hair wig, especially for this length. Now this does look a little bit longer now that I have it on my head. However, out the pack, it definitely looks like a 20 inch, but it does come in that body wave type of texture with the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. There's no elastic band on this unit, so if you want to wear this unit glueless, you will have to either add the elastic band for yourself or tighten the adjustable straps in the back to make the unit more secure on your head. This unit comes in a one size fits most, so my head, as you guys know, is 23 inches, so this cap fits pretty good. I did have a little excess on the sides that I did have to cut down before I glued the unit down, but nothing crazy. Now, I did go in and wash and condition the hair. A lot of you guys asked me the shampoo and conditioner that I use. I just use a very generic shampoo that I got from Walmart. I think it's by Suave or something like that. Sometimes I use my Cantu Shea Butter Co-Wash. Sometimes I use my more expensive stuff. I usually just grab whatever is laying around that I can, you know, reach for really quick. There was very little shedding on this unit when I co-washed it, so that obviously is a plus. I did not get any tangles with this unit either when I washed it, even though I had it like balled up in like the sink or whatever. It still washed really, really nicely. It brushed out really nicely, so, you know, I'm here for that. Okay, so I will be putting some curls into this unit. That's what we're doing today. This is not on. This is not on. This is not plugged in? No, it's not. God dang it. Well, I guess we'll wait. Okay, so we're just gonna put some curls in her. It's gonna be kind of like a pin curl, but then I'm gonna brush it and kind of shape it to my face. Normally, I definitely would do this off my head because it would take a little bit more time to do it on my head. As I'm doing it with you guys, this is why I'm doing it like this, okay? We're gonna pin that together. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, and we're gonna let her sit. I be watching my girls on, you know, YouTube and stuff, and they be snapping their fingers and their hair be done. Oh, I can't snap it. Let me try this hand. Let me get some wine, get some power behind my snap. Let's try it again. Why it ain't working for me? I actually just bought a wand curler, surprise, surprise. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is the one I got. It's by Remington, the same maker of my flat iron. I probably could use this and get the look that I want. Let me open it and see. Let me open it and see. Oh, it comes like a little glove so you don't burn yourself. That's smart. Oh, I'm getting hot. That wine getting on me. That wine getting to me. Let's do 400. Let's do 400. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put my little glove on. I guess it's supposed to be on this hand. I'm assuming should be on this hand because I gotta wrap it. Duh. If it don't fit, you must have quit. I'm sorry. Pack out. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. How do you do this? This is stupid. Now I'm using the wrong hand. Like, y'all, this is dumb. I'm getting mad. No, I'm right. I'm supposed to be on this side. I don't know, y'all. I feel stupid. Hold it with my left and wrap it with the right. Let me not burn myself. Ooh, this is gonna be a learning curve. How y'all do this? I don't understand the wand curler. I don't. I think it's, I don't like wearing this glove. This glove is dumb. I can't feel what I'm doing. This is what we gonna do. This is what we're gonna do, y'all. This is what we're gonna do. Part this down the middle because that's the kind of part that I want today. I want me a middle part. The part is a little tight, so if you want to go in and kind of pluck the part based on where you want to put your part, you can go ahead and do that. I may do that a little bit. Okay, it's nothing crazy to do this. You just plucking, going down the parting space. And although the hair does come pre-plucked, I did pluck some on the sides right here, so if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. You do not have to though. Where is my blow dryer? Okay, I'm going to use my wax stick on the top right here just to lay this down. She got some flyaways. She got some flyaways, okay? Okay, now I'm going to go in and press through the hair just to get it straight like I want it, and just put some wand curls in her. Ooh, okay, I got it. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure this out together, y'all. Hey, am I supposed to hold it up like this? Is that how you do it? Girl, I don't know. I need to get me a tutorial from Sherelle, aka Natural Joy. She be wand curling the heck out of her daggone hair. I need that tutorial now, Sherelle. I keep pushing these daggone buttons. God, push it again. What the? Oh, okay, get it together. I feel weird holding it like this. I feel like I should just be holding it like a curling iron. Am I supposed to hold it like this? I don't know, y'all. Ooh, that joint is tight though. That joint is tight. We getting the hang of this, y'all. I just pushed the button again. I just pushed the button again. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. And if I get the hang of this, I may be doing this more often. But I don't know just yet. I don't know just yet. Okay, that worked right. That worked right. Okay, that actually took no time at all to curl this. Let's try a little snappy thing again. Let's try the snappy thing again and see if it works this time. Ooh, kill him. Oh, we back. Okay, so we curled the rest of the hair, we pinned it back, and we got our eyebrows on. You guys know I don't really do eyebrows on camera. I finally have a eyebrows tutorial for you guys, so if you want to see how I do my brows. I will link the video up here so you guys can go ahead and check that out if you want to, but let's go ahead and get the rest of this face done. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer on my eye just to make sure that is primed and prepped. And then we're gonna blend that out. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the color 415 Honey. You can use any concealer you want. I've used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee before. I've used the Makeup Revolution concealer in, I think it was like C13. So any concealer you want to use that has like a thicker consistency, that's what works for me. So that's what I like to use. Again, using a concealer on the top of your brow that's the same color as your skin tone is more ideal, but since I don't have that, I'm going to use what I have, and this is what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. I need to put a little bit more brow right there to connect that. And again, that's my Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in dark brown. That's what I swear by. That's what I love. That's what I use. Okay, and then I'm going to take the rest of my, I'm running out of this one, but I just bought another one. But it's my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and that is what I use to set my eyelid. So next I'm going to go in with my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is in the color 9202 Creamy Bronze Finish. That's what that looks like. I'm also going to use my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to put that on there, tap, tap, and then I'm going to work that into my crease. Back and forth like a windshield wiper. Blend, blend, blend. I love this brush because it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy! And I'm bringing the excess down. No real rhyme or reason to that. I just bring it down. Kind of shade that area for like my nose contour, because I've been contouring my nose a little bit different lately, so yeah. Okay, next I'm going to take my JuviasPlace. This is the Chocolates palette, and I'm going to use this dark shade here in the corner. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush that I only use this color for. I'm going to put a little bit on there, tap it off, and then I'm going to work that into the crease just to kind of deepen it up just a little bit. Work it down, because I'm already in this palette. I'm going to use this middle shade right here, just a little bit on a flat brush. I think I got this brush from Amazon. I'm gonna pat that over my eyelid. So that is how the eye looks for like the base eye or whatever. Now, when I wanna add in some color or whatever, you guys have seen me do that before in other makeup videos. I kind of just go in with my angled brush and I add that color in, things like that. But we're not adding color today, okay? We're gonna do a shimmer today, okay? A little shim today, all right? Now, you can use any palette you want, but I have been loving using the shimmer from this new palette. This is from the JuviasPlace Walhalla palette. I really, really, really love how this looks. So I'm going to use Stand Up, and I'm going to be using my fingers. Pat, 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 like that. And then I'm gonna pop her on my eye. This is the same look that I did about, what, 2 videos ago? When I had like the shimmer on the eye, I did like the mommy wig. Now, if you don't have this palette, don't worry, you don't have to use it, okay? You can use any shimmer that you have. I've used a highlighter before to get the shimmer that I want. And then we're also gonna use Pepper Body, so get a little bit of that, okay? And we're gonna put that on top. Get it. All right, now I will revisit that when I'm done the rest of my face. So we're gonna do our foundation really quick. You guys know I live by the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This is my shade in D50. I did use the Maybelline Baby Skin to prime my face, so if you need a primer, I really suggest this one. Okay, and for our lace, we're gonna make sure we blend it up just a tad bit, okay? Just blend it up gently into the lace. Not too much though, because this lace is a little bit dark. So next I'm going to take my L'Oreal concealer again. Again, this is in the color 415 Honey. Okay, and this is where the magic happens, okay? I'm going to put that under my eye. And the trick is to let it sit. Let it simmer for a bit. And while that is sitting, I'm going to go on with my contour. This is the Maybelline Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. This is in the color 370 Deep Bronze. I'm like literally running out of this, so I have to use an actual makeup brush to put this on. And I bought this one from Ulta, so I may need to go back to Ulta because I could not find it in Walmart or Target. They didn't have this. They didn't have this anymore, so I don't know if they don't make it anymore or what's going on, but yeah. I saw Jackiana do this and I wanted to try it for myself, so that's why I'm doing it. But I'm just putting the contour right here on the inner corner of my eye, where like my eye and my nose meet. And I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit, not too much. Okay, I'm gonna let the concealer do the actual contour look, okay? And then I'm gonna do a little bit here on my nose. I know some of you guys don't like contouring your nose because you know natural noses matter, okay? But I have a big nose, this is what I like to do. I don't like to make my nose look super thin. It doesn't look super thin, you can still tell I have a bigger nose, but obviously I still like to contour it to make it stand out, that's all. Oh my mama, oh my hood, I look fly, I look good.
Touch my swag, this your good. I look fly, I look good.
I don't know why that pops into my head, but there we go. And I'm blending this into the corner of my eye, down the side of my nose, and then up like that, okay? That's where you get that lift in. We're gonna take the side of the brush to blend our nose, and we're gonna bring that up between our brows, up and over, okay? Up and over yonder. We're gonna carve under about halfway down down the side of your face from your ear, under that contour, and that's where you get that jawline. You kind of make that jawline pop out. Use the sponge to blend the side of my nose to get that contour and that concealer to kind of melt together. Laura Mercier, come on Laura. Okay, pat pat. Stretch down the face, okay? And we're gonna blend that under my eye until it's gone. You don't need a lot. Put some on the forehead where concealer was. Put some here. That's where the concealer was. Right here. That's where the concealer was. And then you just take the excess and just pat it over the rest of your face. Now, I'm also going to be using my, where is it? My Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the color Banana. So I just take that under my eye only. Okay? And down the side of my nose, just to give it a little highlight. Oop, I need a sip. So as always, using the True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance. This is the medium to dark palette. Using that contour over here on the cheekbone and up. You want to do a little on your forehead, you can do that too. As you see, I have not gone back into that pan. I'm using the same excess from that brush. And this is my Morphe E4 brush. I'm going to go down the side of my nose. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha, as well as my little flat brush that I got from e.l.f. This is the Ultimate Blending Brush. I'm going to pat it in there just a little bit. Ooh, tap the excess off, and then we're going to go over our face, mainly on the bottom half. Normally I just use it around the perimeter of my face. So the bottom half and the top half. Okay, so we're just gonna brush off that excess under our eye. All right, now I'm going to use my CoverGirl setting spray. This is the Outlast Active New Setting Spray. Normally I use my Morphe setting spray, but since I have not been to the store to restock it, that's why I use this. So we're gonna use that. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the color Crown of My Canopy. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray number 3 brush to highlight. So I'm gonna put some on there, tap, tap, and then we're gonna put it on the top of our cheekbone. I'm also gonna take the number 7 brush, same collection, and we're gonna put some here in the corner of our eye before we do our lashes. And there we go with that, all right? So, let me get all this stuff out the way. I got so much stuff on my desk right now. I'm going to take my wide tooth comb here. I'm just gonna comb through the curls. Let me fix this. I gotta put a little curl right here. I think I got it. I just wrapped that joint on around. Okay, I need to brighten up my parting space, so I need to use my, this is the color Toffee. This is my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. Just lightly put that in my parting space. Okay, then we're gonna pat her in. Let me just make sure my edges are how I want it to be. Got some little swoops right there in the front. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Bed Head Hard Head spray just to liven this up here in the front. Okay, so here we are, all done. I think it came together really, really nicely. You also saw I had some issues because I wasn't really sure how I wanted to wear this hair. I'm just all over the place. Maybe I was drinking too much. I don't know. Whatever. But in the end, it came together, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out one more time to ISHOW Beauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as the specs for this unit down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.